Can I give people $1 billion piece of operating advice for a partnership? I got this one from Gary Keller, the founder and previous CEO of Keller Williams Realty, multiple billionaire, billion-dollar company. He said that operating agreements should not be called agreements. They should be called disagreements, because the only reason that you're going to be looking at that son of a bitch is because you're fighting.
That's the truth, bro.
So when people are doing their operating agreements, which is one of the single most important documents and where you will lose millions and millions of dollars by doing it poorly, which most people do it poorly. So if we already are going into business knowing that 70% of this shit's not going to work out from partnership perspective, then it's on us to take responsibility and put all that in the operating agreement to make sure that when we are fighting, terms are covered. Everyone puts in their operating agreement, here's how we're going to split the profit. Here's our GP split. Here's our LP split. Here's all this good fun stuff, right? You're talking about cash flow and revenue and equity. You're not talking about what happens if you just decide to not work anymore. How do I buy you out of the company? And at what present day value am I purchasing you out of this company? This will save people millions of dollars. If somebody's listening to this and they have $100 million company, re-review your operating docs.